Today, I'm excited to share my first cucumber harvest from the garden. I started these cucumber plants from seeds in small containers. After the seeds germinated and grew into small seedlings, I transplanted them into my vegetable garden bed where they get plenty of sunlight. As the plants grew taller, I added a garden net for support. Cucumber vines love to climb, and the net helps the plant grow upward, saves space in the garden, improves air circulation, and keeps the cucumbers clean and off the ground. After some time, the plant started producing yellow flowers, and soon small cucumbers began to grow on the vine. One way to know when a cucumber is ready to harvest is by looking at the color and size. It should be a nice, shining green color and feel firm. If it turns yellow, it usually means it is overripe. Today, this cucumber looked ready, so I harvested my first cucumber from the plant. I cut the cucumber and served it fresh on my plate with some rice. Simple, fresh, and straight from my garden. If you enjoy simple gardening tips and harvest videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and join Garden Loves for more garden updates. Thanks for watching.